How to see invites on Temu. Hi everyone, this is Sophia from Create Login and Delete, and in today's tutorial I'll show you guys how you will be able to see invites on Temu. For that, go ahead and open the Temu app. Once you are on the home page of the Temu app, at the bottom of the screen you will see the option of You. Tap on that and then click on Credits and Free Gifts. Over here, you can see various CMU programs where you can earn rewards by referring people. Once you reach a certain number of referrals, you qualify for rewards. For instance, with cash rewards, when you refer someone, you earn tokens. These tokens can be used to spin a wheel for a chance to win money. The money you win is added to your current balance. When your balance reaches 100, you can cash out your earnings. Once your balance hits 100, you can cash out to your PayPal account or receive an amount coupon, which is fantastic. To view your invites on Temu, you must first have invites. You cannot see old invites, only current invites are visible. For example, with cash rewards, click on Investia tokens, then click on copy link or copy code to promote it. When someone uses your invite after you have logged out of the Temu app, you will see a pop-up showing your invites, including people from outside your country. The pop-up will indicate which invites were successful and which failed. After this automatic pop-up, you won't see this list again. And that is technically how you see your invites on Temu app. It's super easy and only takes a few moments. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Temu tips and tricks. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy exploring on Temu.